So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss cell, the unit of life, which is of class 11th NEET botany. Alright, so this is part 1. Let's start. What is the basic definition of a cell? Structural and functional unit of life means it performs its basic functions, as well as it maintains the structure of an organism. Unit of life, alright. Live independently, मतलब the cell is not dependent, मतलब वो किसी पे depend नहीं करता, alright. Metabolic activities takes place inside it. I think metabolic activities takes place inside it. Yes. जो metabolic activities means the activities which need energy, or in which absorption or synthesis of energy takes place. This occurs inside the cell. All right. Cell is basically of two types. Organisms are classified into two types: unicellular and multicellular. What are unicellular? Means the organisms having only single cell and performs all the function. Means the organism contain only single cells and the cell perform all the functions. They have simple body. All right, like amoeba, leishmania. Multicellular organisms. What multicellular? What are multicellular? The organism having complex body, multiple cells are present, as well as well developed organs. As complex body, then well developed organs like liver, kidney, etc. Example must be human, cat, etc. things. The part of the cell is cytoplasm. What cytoplasm? Let's discuss what is cytoplasm. The fluid present inside the cell means the cell के अंदर जो fluid present होता है, जो कि cell को nutrition provide करता है, उसको हम लोग cytoplasm बोलते हैं. ये body of the cell भी होती है, मतलब cell की जो body होती है उसी को हम लोग cytoplasm कहते हैं. Most of the metabolic activities means catabolism as well as anabolism both takes place mostly inside the cytoplasm. All right. Simply called cell body, as we have discussed. One important, like kingdom Monera and kingdom Protista, all are multicellular. What is kingdom Monera? Kingdom Monera is simply the bacteria like blue green algae. What is kingdom Protista? Kingdom Protista is simply protozoas, which are majorly multicellular. Most of the people has doubt that protozoas are unicellular, but in case of but they are multicellular. There is any exception that they are unicellular, mostly they are multicellular. So we are discussing cell theory this time. So in 1839, Sweden साहब give the cell theory that animal cell do not contain cell wall. Do not contain cell wall. जो animal का cell होता है वो cell wall नहीं contain करता है. All organisms are made up of cell. मतलब जो भी सारे organisms होते हैं वो किससे बने होते हैं? Cell से बने होते हैं. This theory is given by Sweden साहब in 1839. Alright. In 1855, Virchow साहब give the theory that all new cells are formed by old cells by the process of meiosis and mitosis, in which cell division takes place. And cell divides means old cell divide into daughter cells, which are new cells. Means old cell forms new cell. All right. Who discovered this cell? Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke in 1665, as we have discussed in class 9 as well, found first dead cell in cork. मतलब उन्होंने first जो dead cell होती है वो cork में, मतलब जो tree का bark होता है, trees bark में discover किया था. Robert Brown, who is the founder of nucleus. All right. In 1831, he founded that cell contain nucleus. All right. Leeuwenhoek is the founder of living cell in pond water. All right. So अब हमारे पास दो diagrams हैं. First is of animal cell and second is of plant cell. What is simply animal cell contain nucleus? This part is nucleus. Golgi apparatus. This part is Golgi apparatus. This is mitochondria. This is nuclear membrane, means the membrane which bound nucleus simply is nuclear membrane. This is vacuole which stores important nutritious parts of cell. This is cell membrane, outermost covering of the cell. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes. This part is lysosomes. This is cytoplasm, means the body of the cell is cytoplasm. Same as in this plant cell. This is vacuole. Vacuole is as bigger as the size as compared to plant cell. As compared to animal cell in plant cell. All right. This is cytoplasm, means the body of the cell. This is vacuole, as we have discussed. This is Golgi apparatus. This is nuclear membrane which covers or bound the nucleus. This is nucleus. This is ER, endoplasmic reticulum, which is present at the surface of the nuclear membrane. This is mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. This is cell wall, and inner one is cell membrane. Simply this is the structure, and the points to remember in this cell live independently. All right. Kingdom Monera and Kingdom Protista are multicellular. All right. If you have still any query regarding this all, you can ask me in comment. And this is part 1. Wait for part 2 and please like, share, subscribe this channel. Bye bye.